So yeah, I was talking about this was superior quality of land. This is inframarginal and this is marginal. So according to Ricardo, price of corn determined rent on land instead of rent determining the price. So according to Ricardo, price of corn determines rent and instead of rent determining price. He assumed that economy has three different quality of land based on productivity of soil. Most productive land, superior land, followed by inframarginal, which is followed by marginal land. According to Ricardo, society will begin cultivating superior quality land and it will be used till minimum of AC or optimum point is reached. So this is the optimum point till which this land will be used, which is minimum of AC. The market produces Q1 units of corn at price P1. After exhausting the best quality land, economy shifts to infra-marginal quality and there is higher cost of production due to inferior quality of soil. AC and MC are higher and price of corn is P2. When entire infra-marginal quality of land is used up, the price in the market P2 implies that superior quality of land will now get rent equal to P1 E1 P1 E1 FP2. The economy now moves to marginal or worst quality land. It has even higher AC and MC due to poor quality of soil. Therefore, when this land is fully used, the price of corn rises to P3 in the market. There is no rent for marginal land. So, no rent for marginal land. Inframarginal land gets a rent of P2 E3 GP3. So it will get P2 E3 GP3. So this would be the rent P2 E2 GP3, which is due to its better quality compared to marginal land. Superior quality land gets P1 E1 HP3. So it will get P1 E1 HP3. This will be the for the superior quality land. The addition of P2 FHP3 is due to superiority of this land over marginal land. Therefore, Ricardo showed that as inferior quality land gets used, price of corn rises and the rise in price contributes to increasing rent of better quality land. Hence, he concluded that price of corn does not get determined by rent but rent get determined by price of corn. So, through this, he proved that rent gets determined by price of corn. Now we move on to Kaleci model of distribution. I'm afraid to start it because it's slightly bigger and slightly more complex, but I think I should be able to complete this. Yeah, so let's go. Let's start. Model of distribution. So assumptions of this model are: first, firm has a constant MC. constant MC and there is no fixed cost. And no fixed cost. TC is C into Q. MC equals to C equals to AC. AC is C upon Q equals to C into Q upon Q is equals to C. DC by DQ is C. Second, imperfect competition in market with excess capacity. So imperfect competition with excess capacity. Third is MC includes payment to unskilled labor and for raw material, which while income of skilled labor is counted as part of profit earned by capitalist class. So MC includes payment of unskilled labor and raw material. However, income of skilled labor is part of profit earned by capitalists. So Kaleci based his theory on Lerner's index of monopoly power, which we did earlier as well. So this is Lerner's index. Elasticity of demand in absolute terms. We will say this as mu from now onwards. So Kaleci expressed monopoly power as P minus MC upon P is equals to mu. Using assumption 1, we can say P minus AC. Assumption 1 was there is no fixed cost and constant MC. So P minus AC upon P is equals to mu. Now P minus AC equals to P into mu. Now multiplying both sides by output. So let's assume X is the total output produced. So multiplying both sides with X. X is total Y output produced. So X multiplied by P minus AC equals to X multiplied by P into mu. Summing up both sides for all n firms in the market. So for all n number of firms, this is the total profit of the market. And this is total revenue multiplied by monopoly power. Of the firm. Now dividing both sides by sigma px. Sigma px is total revenue earned by all the firms. So dividing both sides by sigma px. Sigma p minus ac multiplied by x divided by sigma px is equals to sigma p into mu into x divided by sigma px. This is equilibrium 1. Sigma px is total turnover in the market. So the left hand side of this, which is this one, shows average profit of capitalist, and this side, right hand side, represents average monopoly power. So this shows average profit of the capitalist and this shows average monopoly power. Now sigma p minus ac into x divided by t is equals to mu bar. This is Kaleci's equilibrium of profit share based on average monopoly power. According to Kaleci, average monopoly power of the firm determines the share of capitalists in total income. Higher average monopoly power will result in higher profit for capitalists because it increases their ability to keep larger part of their revenue above their cost. This is second equilibrium. So Kaleci also used this equilibrium second to understand laborers' share in total output. If Y is assumed as total income and W as total wage, then Kaleci expressed equilibrium. Okay, I was saying it equilibrium, but it is equation 2. My bad. I think the morning has started hitting me, so I need to go back to sleep as soon as possible. So I think I should do it later on from now. I think I might have to just recall what I did here as well. So thanks for watching.